Hey there, curious minds. Today we're diving into something you might not expect from a simple snack. Have you ever stopped to think about dosa? You know, those crispy triangles filled with spiced goodness that are so popular across India and beyond? But did you realize that this humble treat is more than just a street food staple? It's actually a fascinating blend of culinary art and scientific precision, one that has been evolving over centuries. Imagine this. Every time you bite into a samosa, you're not only enjoying a delicious mix of flavors, but also experiencing the result of years of refinement in cooking techniques. From the way the dough is kneaded to achieve just the right texture, to the precise blend of spices used for that unforgettable taste, every step has been honed through generations. And it doesn't stop there. The samosa's journey from a simple snack to a culinary marvel involves more than meets the eye. It's about understanding how different ingredients interact with each other and how cooking methods can enhance or alter these interactions. This snack is like a microcosm of food science, where tradition meets modern knowledge. So, let's unravel this tasty mystery together. We'll explore how the samosa has become not just a beloved treat, but also a testament to our ability to combine ancient wisdom with contemporary insights in cooking. Get ready to see your favorite street snack in an entirely new light. Imagine walking through the bustling streets of Mumbai or Delhi. Every vendor offers something unique, bursting with flavor and life. But what makes these dishes so special? It's all about the science behind them, how ingredients trans to culinary masterpieces. Let's take a closer look at how each dish is like a symphony of chemistry. From the perfect ratio of spices to the cooking techniques that lock in flavors, every step matters. For example, consider the way spices are combined. The right mix can create layers of flavor that dance on your palate, while balance might overpower or underwhelm. The process begins with selecting fresh ingredients. Vegetables and fruits are picked at their peak ripeness to ensure maximum flavor. Meat is sourced carefully, with attention paid to how it's handled from slaughter to kitchen. Each step in this journey contributes to the final taste experience. Cooking techniques play a crucial role too. Take frying, for instance. The temperature of oil affects not just the crispiness but also the way flavors meld together. A higher heat can seal in juices and create that perfect golden brown crust. Similarly, slow cooking allows spices to infuse into meats and vegetables, enhancing their natural flavors. And then there's the art of blending textures. Some dishes are designed to be creamy, while others are meant to be crunchy. The way ingredients are cut, whether finely chopped or left in larger pieces, affects both texture and taste. For example, a dish that combines tender pieces of with crispy vegetables creates a delightful contrast. So, as we explore these culinary masters, you'll see how the science behind them transforms simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Each dish is not just food but an expression of cultural heritage and scientific precision, bringing together history and innovation in every bite. But here's where it gets wild. These dishes aren't just delicious. They're also packed with health benefits, thanks to the natural ingredients and cooking methods used. Take tamarind, for example. Not only does it add that tangy flavor we all love, but it's rich in antioxidants too. These little bursts of sourness can help your bite off free radicals and keep you feeling fresh. There are more surprises waiting for us as well. The street food culture isn't just about taste, it's also a nutritional journey. Think about the humble lentil, or dal, a staple in many dishes across India. Lentils are not only protein-packed, but also provide essential amino acids that help build and repair tissues throughout your body. And let's talk about spices for a moment. Turmeric isn't just adding that vibrant yellow color to curries. It contains curcumin, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This means your favorite curry might be doing more than pleasing your palate, it's supporting your immune system too. Then there's the use of coconut oil in cooking. It's a common ingredient, and not just because it tastes great with everything from dosas to samosas. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, which are easily converted into energy by your body. So you're essentially getting an energy boost with every bite. Moreover, the way these dishes are prepared can also contribute to their health benefits. Slow cooking techniques allow for better absorption of nutrients from vegetables and meats, making each dish a nutritional powerhouse in its own right. In essence, street food isn't just about savoring delicious flavors, it's about nourishing your body with natural ingredients that have stood the test of time. Each dish is a blend of tradition and health, offering more than meets the eye, or should we say, the taste bud. So, next time you grab a plate from one of those bustling street vendors, remember, you're not just enjoying a meal, you're engaging in a healthy ritual that's been perfected over centuries. So, what changes when we look at Indian street food through the lens of science? We see how traditional wisdom meets modern understanding to create dishes that nourish our bodies and connect us with centuries-old culinary heritage. Every bite of an Indian snack isn't just a meal, it's a scientific marvel. When you think about it, these snacks are like little experiments in flavor and nutrition, where each ingredient has been chosen not only for its taste, but also for its health benefits. From the tangy punch of tamarind to the warming spices that soothe your system, every element plays a role. And then there's the method behind the madness, the cooking techniques that transform simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Whether it's frying at just the right temperature or slow cooking to bring out deep flavors and nutrients, these methods have been refined over generations. What makes this all so fascinating is how these dishes serve as bridges between past and present. They're a testament to human ingenuity, blending ancient knowledge with contemporary science in every crispy triangle of samosa or savory bite of chaat. So next time you savor an Indian street snack, take a moment to appreciate the layers of history and science that come together on your plate. Each dish is more than just food. It's a story, a symphony of flavors, and a scientific achievement that has stood the test of time. Enjoy every bite. Next time you're on the streets of India, or anywhere in the world, take a moment to appreciate the science behind your snack. It's amazing how each bite tells a story, blending history with modern culinary techniques. Share your favorite street food experiences and what you discovered about their origins. What's that one dish that made you pause and think about its journey from simple ingredients to a flavorful treat? We'd love to hear about any surprises or insights you've gained along the way. Maybe it's a spice you didn't know was packed with antioxidants. Or perhaps it's the cooking method that makes all the difference in texture and taste. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the fascinating world of culinary science. We're always exploring how traditional wisdom meets modern understanding in kitchens around the globe. Stay curious, keep savoring those flavors, and let's uncover more delicious mysteries together.